The preceding information is not intended to be a do-it-yourself starter guide to search dog handling. I strongly urge anyone interested in search dog handling to first join an established search and rescue organization that is affiliated with the relevant police or search and rescue authority in your area before you commence any training on your own, as search dog handling is definitely not a casual undertaking. Search, Strike, and Alert is all about defining what is search dog handling. I identify the constituent skills for both handler and dog, and I highlight the significance of what a handler's and dog's respective jobs really are. Search, Strike, and Alert is not meant to be a step-by-step how to train a search dog type of guide. Search, Strike, and Alert pertains to an air scent live find canine unless otherwise noted. These are the most commonly encountered hazards that I routinely come across. This topic answers the most frequently asked question I get regarding the suitability of a particular dog for search dog training. In general, I answer the question regarding the physicality of the dog and aggression and timidity. This topic goes into baseline handler requirements, including equipment, with emphasis on vest, whistle, and lights. In part 1 of handler skills, I define and give examples of basic, plain vanilla, but fundamentally well-grounded handler skills. In the beginning of Handler Skills Part 2, I address Search and Strike. The final portion of Part 2 is about the all-important alert. I offer troubleshooting on potential deficiencies on all 3 topics, as well as some well-worn advice. In Obedience and Agility, I give a quick overview, an OBED heel example, plus 2 written entry-level tests. In cross-training, I show 4 example videos of a cross-trained air scent live find canine onto variant scents.